Hi everyone. Today I am here with the unboxing of the new Hermès Petit Chalutier Duffle bag. So this bag is intended for babies and children. It's intended as a travel bag or a beach day bag. So let's go ahead. Here we go. So it is a tall duffel bag or bucket bag style. The immediate thing that you notice is the pattern, which Hermès calls Petit Chalutier. It is inkjet printed in Italy. And you see it's very nautical. So we have fish, little boats, dinghies, life preservers, seagulls, sailboats, all various submarines and other nautical patterns. The bottom has a pattern on it as well. There is a nice drawstring here, so you can even wear this as a backpack. I try to wear this as a backpack. I'm a little bit too wide, but children can certainly wear this. So if you're a little bit more petite, you can certainly wear the straps over your shoulders and wear this like a backpack. Otherwise, you could just carry it like this or carry it by the strap. In bucket bag style, it does have the rope that strings through the top of the bag. And inside, it is one large compartment, as you can see there. So this bag comes in two different colors. We have this red or pinkish style, which you can see here on the strap and in the inside. This is intended for girls. And then there is a corresponding blue version that's intended for boys, but both colors are fairly gender neutral. So I would say certainly use your preference. The Hermès tag on the inside is also very playful. So instead of the typical horse, we have a little seagull. So the material on this is 58% cotton and 42% linen. So it does make good material for a beach bag. Unlike the various Hermès leathers, you don't need to worry about like the sand and the water and the sun, etc. So it's definitely very sturdy, very durable. Also very flexible as well. So if you do stuff it, you see that as I put my hand in here, it does kind of bend and shape around as well. So you could definitely throw in some like towels, small toys, diapers, etc. And use it as a beach bag. The care instructions for this are actually right inside. And it does say dry clean only, but I do imagine you could take a lightly damp cloth and wipe down the outside if you do happen to get something on it. It does feel pretty sturdy as well. The rope is definitely very thick. It's not going to break very easily. Very well made. You got the middle washers around the holes as well, so those aren't going to break or get caught on anything. So definitely a really neat children's bag. This is a fairly new release from Hermès as well. They've had this pattern before on various things, but this duffel bag or bucket bag is something that is pretty new. So this bag retails for $620 in the US, and we're excited to start using it. Yeah, there's also a corresponding like a little pouch, like a square or rectangular pouch, and then a hat as well. like a children's hat. A little bit too big for babies, which is what we're shopping for right now, so we didn't get the hat. But certainly, as our daughter grows, we would certainly consider that hat as well to provide some protection against the sun. And both the pouch and the hat both come in the same pattern and the same color options that I just described for this duffel bag. All right, that is everything for this bag. So feel free to hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to receive our future unboxings. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.